Hey, what's up guys? Ian here again with the St. Louis Car Museum, and today we're going to be talking about the 1965 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 3. The original Silver Cloud replaced the Silver Dawn in 1955, offering body-on-frame construction permitting both the typical pressed steel company bodies but also alternative configurations. In the Silver Cloud's sophomore year, it introduced power steering and air conditioning to the Rolls-Royce line for the first time. It was successful, but by 1959, Rolls-Royce sought to further separate itself from the competition and introduced a new 6.2-liter V8 to replace the old 4.9-liter inline-six. The ultimate Silver Cloud was released in 1963, featuring a 220-pound lighter body, new quad headlights, upgraded 2-inch SU carburetors replacing the previous 1 3/4-inch units, and 9-to-1 compression. The Silver Cloud 3 became one of the best high-speed luxury saloons of the 1960s. If you like rare cars and want to see more, click subscribe and visit our website to see all of our current vehicles.